Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, now we shall discuss MCQs of chapter number 4 of our plasma physics, that is about plasmas as waves. These MCQs are taken from Introduction to Plasma Physics and Controlled Fusion by Francis F. Chan. So our first MCQ is about phase velocity. The phase velocity of a single wave is given by phase velocity, is the velocity of a single wave in plasma. Also, phase velocity can be defined as the rate at which the phase of the wave propagates in space. Phase velocity shows the speed and direction of phase propagation, and this phase velocity is given by v phi is equal to omega by k. This is the right option. v phi is equal to omega by k. Next we have is the group velocity of wave packet is given by. What is group velocity? The superposition of waves more than one frequency is called wave packet. Okay, the superposition of waves more than one frequency is called wave packet, and the velocity of wave packet is called group velocity. Actually, group velocity is the average velocity of superimposing waves. It is given by, we have different options. Group velocity is equal to df by dk, dk by d omega, 2 gamma omega over k, and d omega by dk. Yes, this D option again is the right answer here. Group velocity is equal to d omega by dk. The phase velocity can be, A option is less than speed of light, yes. Greater than speed of light, yes. Both A and B, yes. None of these. This is the right answer. B option is the correct answer. Phase velocity can be greater than speed of light. The group velocity can be less than speed of light, yes. Greater than speed of light, no. Both can be no, none of these. Group velocity is always less than speed of light. It is less than speed of light. Electromagnetic radiation stop propagating plasma when propagation factor is equal to 0. Remember, when propagation factor is equal to 0, electromagnetic radiation stop propagating. In acoustic wave, the equation of fluid is used to derive dispersion relation for E option is speed of sound in air, speed of sound in space, speed of sound in plasma. Yes, speed of sound in plasma. In acoustic wave, the equation of fluid is used to derive dispersion relation for speed of sound in plasma. Plasma oscillations are basically constant dash waves. Plasma oscillations are basically constant frequency waves are constant frequency waves. Ion waves are basically constant velocity waves. Do remember, plasma oscillations are basically constant frequency waves, while ion waves are basically constant velocity waves. When propagation factor is equal to 0, the electromagnetic radiation dash to propagate, as we have studied, stop to propagate. In the in the derivation of dispersion relation for electron plasma waves, we assume internal magnetic field is 0. Yes. There are no thermal motions. Yes. Ions are fixed. Yes. All of these. Yes. All of these. There are also other factors like plasma is infinite, etc. And there are different assumptions to be made in the in driving the dispersion relation for electron plasma waves. I repeat, there is no magnetic field. Yes. And fluid of plasma is electron plasma fluid. Yes. There are no thermal motions. This is another again one assumption. No thermal motion. Ions are fixed. Plasma is infinite in extent. Electron motions occurs only in x direction. There are different factors we assume in the derivation of dispersion relation for electron plasma waves, but in this MCQs, 3 are given and 3 of them are right, so all of these is the correct answer. Next we have very important MCQ, that is in ion plasma wave, group velocity dash plasma and phase velocity, smaller no, greater no, equal yes. Remember, in ion plasma waves, and group velocity and phase velocities are equal. Plasma frequency is very high because mass of dash is very low. Mass of electron is very low. Mass of electron is very low because frequency, plasma frequency, angular frequency omega f is inversely proportional to a mass square root. Mass of electron is less, so plasma frequency is very high. Mass of electron is less, so mass of electron is very low. Plasma frequency is very high. The ion waves in plasma are called acoustic waves because frequencies of sound waves and ion waves have dash order, same order, different order, intermediate order, none of the same order. Frequencies of sound waves and ion waves have same order. Next we have the upper hybrid frequency. The upper hybrid frequency of particle plasma is, A option is whole square root omega p square plus omega c square, and B option is omega c into sigma c square root. C option is 2 omega p square minus omega c square whole square root, and D option is omega c and sigma p whole square root. Upper hybrid frequency is given by A option, and omega p square plus omega c square whole square root. This is the right answer. Lower hybrid frequency of a particle plasma is, this is the B option, omega c sigma c whole square root. This B option is the right answer. The mass continuity equation for plasma is, we have different options, and the correct answer is A option, that is partial rho by partial t plus del dot rho u is equal to 0. Yes, this is the right answer. This equation is called mass continuity equation of plasma. Next is the phase velocity of magnetosonic wave is. What is magnetosonic wave is? First of all, we must know about hydromagnetic waves. Remember, hydromagnetic waves are generated when plasma is placed in external magnetic field. Okay, and the hydromagnetic waves propagating perpendicular to the direction of external magnetic field is called magnetosonic wave. The hydromagnetic waves propagating perpendicular to the direction of external magnetic field is called magnetosonic waves, while the hydromagnetic waves propagating along the direction of external magnetic field are called Alfvén waves. And here we have to tell the phase velocity of magnetosonic waves, and that is again the A option, c whole square root va square plus vs square over va square plus c square. This is the right answer. Phase velocity of R waves. R wave here is the right-handed waves. L will be left-handed wave, but here we are asked phase velocity of right-handed wave, R wave, that is B option, c over whole square root 1 minus omega p square over omega square divided by 1 minus omega c over omega. This D option is the right answer here. This is the phase velocity of right-handed waves. The plasma resistivity eta is given by A of eta is equal to m over n square nu ei. This nu ei is actually the frequency of collision of electrons by ions. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और आयंस की कोलिजन की फ्रीक्वेंसी को म्यू से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है. ईटा इज इक्वल एम और एन इसके म्यू ई आई. There are various other options, but correct one is the A option. This is the plasma resistivity. The generalized Ohm's law for plasma fluid is E plus U cross B is equal to eta J plus 1 over N E into J cross P minus del P. Yes, this is the right answer. Generalized Ohm's law for the plasma fluid. The dispersion relation of electron plasma waves is. For electron plasma waves, we have to tell dispersion relation. A option is omega square is equal to omega p square plus 3 by 2 k square v thermal square. Yes, this is the right answer. Where v thermal is the thermal velocity and it is equal to 2 k p t over m squared. The dispersion relation for ion plasma waves. Omega square is equal to omega p square plus 3 by 2. ये हम जानते हैं कि this is the dispersion relation for electron plasma wave. This is for electron plasma wave, but we have to tell dispersion relation for ion plasma waves, and that is omega by k kBTE plus gamma I kBTL over n whole square. This B option is the dispersion relation for ion plasma waves. The dispersion relation for ordinary wave in plasma is omega square is equal to omega p square plus c square k square. Yes, this is the right answer. And the dispersion relation for extraordinary wave in plasma is A, B, c square k square over omega square. Yes, this is the option is the right answer for dispersion relation of extraordinary wave in plasmas. Next is the dispersion relation of Alfvén wave is in plasma is. Again there are different options, and here option is C, 1 plus mi over epsilon naught b square into omega square is equal to c square k square. This is the dispersion relation of alpha waves. Next is the this dispersion relation of magnetosonic waves in plasma, and that is D option, omega square over k square equals c square v square plus vs square over v square plus c square. This D option is the right answer for dispersion relation of magnetosonic waves in plasma. The electron plasma frequency depends on the density of electrons, photons, phonons or bosons, electrons. As we know, plasma frequency is given by omega is equal to E square Ne, number density of electrons, divided by Me, mass of electron, epsilon naught whole square root, or F is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root E square Ne over Me epsilon naught. And we can see this omega and Ne mean number of electrons per unit volume are directly proportional to each other. Mean omega is directly proportional to square root of the number density of electrons, Ne. So electron plasma frequency depends upon the density of electrons. Electron plasma frequency and ion plasma frequency are rated as, we know they are not equal. Omega Pe and omega Pi मीन जो प्लाज्मा फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है इलेक्ट्रॉन की और आयन की वो इक्वल नहीं होती है. Next is the plasma is not transparent to electromagnetic radiations of frequency omega less than omega Pe, greater than omega Pe, omega is equal to Pe, and omega is equal to greater than omega Pe. So correct answer is omega is less than omega Pe. This A option is the right answer. Electron plasma frequency F is given by, if we put the values of E square and the mass of electron epsilon naught, we get F is equal to 9 into under root N square root. This is the A option is the right answer. F is equal to 9 into Ne square root. Now if we know the value of Ne, number density of electrons, we can find out frequency. That's all from here. Allah Hafiz.